you can log in into your iQIYI account. Now before we start, make sure that you've installed iQIYI. So let us go to our app store and search for it. Now the spelling is iQIYI, and after you search for it, this is the app that you want to download. Now as you can see right here, you will be able to watch animes, you'll be able to watch dramas and shows in this app. So I'll teach you guys how to log into it now. So open it now, and after you open it, this is the interface that you'll deal with. So under there you will see on the right bottom you'll see the me section. Tap on it and you'll need to tap on login sign up. Tap on login sign up, and you can continue with Google, or you can use any of your other accounts. So I'll tap on login with password. Now right here you will need to type in your email, and after you type in your email right here, type in your password down below, and you will be able to log in that easily, guys. So yeah, that's basically it. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.